So this is how you can change time zones in Trello. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to switch your time zone. So let's go ahead and open a board. It can be any board. You can have a list or no lists at all. It doesn't really matter. What you're going to want to do is tap on your icon at the top right corner. So just simply tap on that and then tap on manage account. It will take you to this website where you can see the settings of your Trello account. So as you can see, we are in this screen right here. And now we're going to want to tap on account preferences. Once we do, you will see that there is a time zone right under language. So just tap on that and then choose the time zone that you want. You can pick from the many time zones that we have here and scroll down really fast so you can see them all. And yeah, just choose a time zone, tap on that, and there you go. We are updating your time zone. Your change might take a while to show everywhere. So yeah, that is how you can change your time zone in Trello. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.